guys, it's your girl Avoy. Today we're going to play a part 2 of playing Draw a Boat for Treasure. We're going to play that. Let me see. Okay, I got copyrighted. Yeah, I don't like it. Let's get Draw a Boat Treasure. Monica. I got that. I think it's this. Yeah, it's this. Yeah, it's this. But for Treasure. Yes, I know it's not the original one, but hey, at least it's good. Yeah. And, oh my god, it's raining. So yeah, I will be editing this video, so please comment if it's good or not good. So yeah, let me just try this. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, don't have to else, so yeah. We're going down. We're moving. Okay. So if you hear like some noisy sounds, sorry guys. That's just my fan. Not like fans, just my blowing fan. Yeah. So yeah. So if you feel like it sounds, please ignore. Yeah. We're going to the treasure. Ooh, one Robux. Wow. Yeah, we'll do that in a sec. Come on. And then they go like here in another like. Not in that video, but I literally failed, like absolutely. Absolutely. So yeah, I will be editing this video. Just a reminder, okay? Thank God I did Bola. World 2. I ain't pointing. I ain't pointing. Okay, anyways. What is 600? Okay, that's good. And still cash. No, anyways, I think I'm gonna get gold pay. Buy my money. What I get? What? Oh, I think. I don't know. I'll just visit my money for that. Whatever. Let's spawn that. Please. Let's go. Okay, I might be bored for this. Wait, let me see. Okay, I might end the video early, but anyways, and guys, comment like what y'all want me to post. Oh, biscuits. Okay, I never say that before. So yeah, I don't know. Anyways, so guys, if you want me to play like Blade Ball or Chikawa game, yeah, just say it in the comments. And yeah, so guys, I have to go like in real life, and I'll be posting a part 3 later, like a week. I'll be posting like other bits. So yeah, wait 5 minutes. Oh no, I'm sorry for saying, but I gotta go. Bye guys.